In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to your Lovable website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard and the simple command that gets analytics connected without digging into code. First, open your Lovable dashboard. This is your home base where all your sites and workspaces live. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple organizations. From the home view, look for the All Projects option. Clicking this brings up a list of everything you've built or have access to, which makes it easy to choose the specific site you want to track. Next, select the project you want to enable tracking on. If you have several similar projects, double-check you're opening the correct one, ideally the production instance your visitors actually use. Once you're inside the project, locate the Ask Lovable Assistant. This is the built-in helper panel that can make changes to your project for you. It's typically visible within the project workspace and is designed to understand short, clear instructions. Click into Ask Lovable, and in the message box, type exactly. Add Google Analytics. The assistant is flexible with phrasing, but using this concise instruction helps it recognize your intent right away. If you already have a Google Analytics property, it's a good idea to have your measurement ID handy in case you're prompted for it. The assistant may ask for it to complete the connection, depending on how your project is configured. Now submit your message or press Enter. The assistant will process your request and begin applying the integration. Behind the scenes, this usually means adding the appropriate analytics snippet or configuration to your project so that page views and events can be tracked. You'll see status updates or a confirmation once it's finished. If any additional detail is needed, the assistant will ask you directly, so keep the panel open for a moment and respond if prompted. Once that's done, your Lovable site is set up to send data to Google Analytics. Keep in mind that new data can take a little time to appear. For a quick confidence check later, you can use the real-time view in Google Analytics to confirm that visits are being recorded when you open your site in a new tab. If you use privacy tools or ad blockers, test in an incognito window or a different browser to avoid filtered traffic. That's it. You opened your Lovable dashboard, went to All Projects, chose your project, opened Ask Lovable, typed Add Google Analytics, and submitted. Simple, fast, and no code required.